Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we have a 1993 Bobcat 7753 vertical lift, skid steer loader, Kubota diesel powered. You see the auxiliary hydraulics. Tires are excellent. This was formerly a municipal machine. And that just alludes to its excellent original condition. There is some surface rust on this machine. You're going to see around the cab. But it's all surface. The white actually in good shape. It had some backhoe mounts on it at one time. We just touched up a little white there. The black boom is in good condition. We've got the single cylinder for tilt. Has a standard Bobcat plate on it. And this is a new Bobcat 68-inch low-profile bucket that'll go with the machine. Machine itself, cab with heat. Got a nice seat in this machine overall, runs out real nice. About a 1,700-pound lift. Machine weighs in at 4,800 pounds. They've actually added a little additional weight. We've got front axle weights, and then we've got rear weights as well on the axle, just to give it a little more control. You can see it's a nice wide stance, narrow body, wide stance, which makes for good handling, especially when you get it off the road. Kubota diesel. It's a 4-cylinder, non-turbo. This is 46 horsepower. There is some rust on the overhead radiator guard. Routine maintenance, you could see they serviced it every 100 hours. So good history on this machine utilizing Bobcat filters. Rear door is in nice shape, opens and closes nicely. It is a vertical lift boom. One of the early verticals, again back to 1993 here. With that 1,700-pound lift, all kinds of lift capacity. You can get a big round bale up in the barn, up in the feeder. Let's take a look at the interior. Quick spin and in. There's a shot of our hours, 39:13. Foot controlled machine. Easy to see the cutting edge from the driver's seat. Got the rear view mirror. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 1993 Bobcat 7753. 46 horse Kubota, non-turbo diesel. It's 4-wheel drive, newer tires. See the rims are excellent. Nice wide stance. That's a 68-inch bucket. And that's just about perfect. The bucket is just a hair wider than the tires. Diesel powered, liquid cooled, cab with heat. That time of year is coming around. We do have auxiliary hydraulics, so if you've got something like a grapple, post hole digger, that kind of stuff, take standard flow, we got you covered. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 1993 Bobcat 7753. They built this machine from 90 to 93. Good results. Former municipal machine. It's had good care. Little surface rust here and there. I mean, you're just going to notice on the boom little corrosion there. All in all, though, the machine's in nice shape. You see the door's in nice shape. Cab is in good shape. Bucket sets down nice and level. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.